there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. In today's video, I'm going to make another rope rug. I enjoyed it so much in the couple videos before that I decided to give it another try. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. I began by cutting a bunch of pieces of rope to the same size. My idea is to have knots on each end. I think I can get it close enough. I want the knot to be on the mat. So see, this one feels a little short, and I can loosen it up fairly easy. Like that. I found the center of my project and began there. You do not need very much glue for this. Just a thin line right where you want it. It sticks really well. Since it was fairly easy to glue, I tie one knot and glue it down, and then glue the piece of rope all the way to the end, or where I think it's gonna, the knot will be, and tie that knot and glue it down. For this pattern, I put a piece of rope between every ridge. So therefore there's a ridge, I put a piece of rope, another ridge, another piece of rope. Tying my knots as I go. I do try to keep all of my knots in the same direction. All of the tails are facing up and coming out of the knot at the end of each piece. Really simple project. I think anyone can do it. And if you were to help your kids with the glue gun, even kids could do it. I put 8 pieces in the middle, and then 4 pieces, and then 2 pieces, and I did that on each side. This time I used a nylon rope. I think it was a lot cheaper. I think it's a way better fringe. Look at that, that's wonderful. I still tightened it down like I did in the last rug. Everything else still feels the same. It's real tight. I don't think you could get it off. It's a little bit cheaper. It's not quite as soft, although it's not hard at all. This is a really soft nylon. It frays really easy and it feels real soft, almost like a satin. But I think I will make any future rugs with this stuff. It comes in thicker, skinnier. I think I got 60 feet of it, and it was about, I want to say $8. I can't remember for sure, but it was about $8 for 60 feet. I got this much left over. Maybe I could have got another row or 2. So I was right on with that. If I wanted to fill it in more, I would have needed more. Anyway, it frays way faster and way easier than the other kind. I'm gonna have to go through and give it all even it up a little bit. Reminds me of poodle hair big time. I like it. I wish I had a little, I might go by a little bit, maybe about another 8 or 10 feet and fill in from here to here on both sides. I think that might look a little bit better. I don't know. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and fluff this all out and get some final reveal to you. Now is the time I try to get you guys to subscribe to my channel. YouTube tells me 90% of the people watching are not even subscribed. Please hit that red button down there and turn it gray. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate a big thumbs up. Thanks a bunch for sticking around. I'll see you guys next week, same place, same time. Take care.